not part 2, but just another slime store-bought slime makeover. We have all these goods, and yeah, let's just straight on into the video. What yo? Alright guys, we have all these slimes here today. What should we do first? I'm gonna do this one really quick. Let's see, we're gonna try and do an easy one for the first round. Alright guys, so let's open this up. Alright, seems like it's a bit sticky, but you know, we can work with it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some clay in it. Okay, so let's just pour that on. You know what, actually, I wanna make a bowl. Alright, let's pour that in there. That didn't work how I wanted it, but whatever. Okay, I'm trying to get it all out, but it's kind of sticky in the container. It's weird because this is like kind of sticky, but like at the same time, it's not sticky. It's weird. Let's mix that up. Hopefully it goes together well. Sometimes the store-bought slimes do not go well with the clay. I feel like this one will though, because it is like kind of melted, you know? Okay, so it looks like it's doing pretty good so far. Alright, well here's how it turned out, guys. I like it a lot. Very, very nice and soft. But I'm going to add a little bit more clay because I want it to be a bit more buttery. Alright guys, so I am loving the texture it turned out. It like turned to like one of those store-bought fluffy slimes, but this one is actually nice and stretchy. But anyways, here it is. Very nice. I am loving this. It's like super puffy and like buttery. This one is amazing. All right, so for this slime, I'm gonna add some golden glitter. I kind of want a lot because it's like a dough and I want it to show a lot. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half, because I'm gonna be dyeing this part purple and this part I'm just gonna leave it pink, and we're gonna make a little swirl, and yeah. Okay, so we have some purple dye here. We're gonna dye it purple. All right, well that did absolutely nothing. What the heck? All right, well I guess I have to put more dye. There. So I think that is good. Here are 2 colors now. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little swirl really quick. Oh yeah. Gonna sort it like that. Put it in this container, and our last thing we're gonna put are these really cute heart sprinkles. Ta-da! Here is my slime makeover. Can we get a little before and after? This looks so much better, I think, and it's so freaking cute. And don't worry guys, I am gonna mix this, so it's okay. I just wanted to show you guys, but look at how awesome that looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's mix it now. That mixed very quickly. Alright, well I guess here is the final product of the slime makeover. I think it looks pretty good. I really like it. I like the color, the glitter, and the little heart sprinkles, and the texture is really, really nice too. It actually did very well with the clay. And yeah, that is it. Let's get on to the next one. Next one I do, guys, is this guacamole slime, and it says it's scented, but it is not scented like guacamole. It just smells like rubbing alcohol. But anyways, here is the slime. It is, oh my gosh. It is very, very bad. As you can see, it's like really weird. I don't even know how you get this texture. It's like a literal booger. So yeah, but I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna do to this. Like how, I think the first step we should do is make it soft somehow. Okay, so first we're gonna put some lotion to try and make this a little bit softer. All right, I decided I'm gonna try and keep it clear, and I'm gonna put some hair gel on it. There we go. All right, let's mix that in, and hopefully it works. Okay, well that completely melted the slime, so I guess it worked. Okay, so this is weirdly like not sticky, but at the same time it's very sticky. That is so weird. Okay, anyway, this is the weirdest texture ever, guys, because it is so gooey, but it's actually not sticky if you like kind of take it off your hand. And like, it doesn't stick to my table, which is very weird because my other slimes have been sticking to my table. But yeah, this is just such a weird texture. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do to kind of activate this, instead of adding activator, I decided I'm gonna add some clear slime, because last time I put clear slime into this type of slime, it like kind of got like really hard. So I'm thinking the clear slime will help it kind of get thicker and more slime-like and activate it at the same time. So yeah. I don't know if it's activating, guys. It kind of feels like it's getting harder, but at the same time, it kind of feels like it's melting a bit. I don't know what to do. All right, well, I'm gonna start putting activator in this now because I don't think this is activating. All right, guys, here is the slime now. It didn't get too much better other than the fact it is a lot stretchier now, and it is kind of sticky, which is very weird, but yeah. But I think I like it better now than what it was before. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and add our additives. So first of all, I'm gonna put some more food coloring. I'm gonna put some yellow food coloring to try and make it a bit brighter. And my plan for this slime makeover, guys, is to try and make it look more like guacamole. So yeah. Alrighty, this slime is very annoying, but we're gonna have to work with it. Anyway, so to make it look more like guacamole, I decided I'm gonna add some tomatoes. These are red pom-poms, if you couldn't tell. But I thought they might look cool as tomatoes. I know they are really big, but I thought, whatever, you know, it might look cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put that much, see how it looks. Alrighty, so do those look like tomatoes? They look like really big tomatoes, but I feel like they do look like tomatoes. I think it's looking good so far. And then for my onions, I'm going to be using these little crystal beads because I feel like they look so much like onions. I don't know. I thought they looked like onions, so we're going to put that in there too. And hopefully that completes our look. Alright, and that is my new guacamole slime. Honestly, I don't know if I should add hair gel because it is very weirdly sticky now. But yeah, that is my slime makeover. We have a little before and after. I think it looks pretty good, but it's not my best makeover. I'm going to have to admit it. But you guys comment down below if you guys like this one and if you think my version is better except without the sticky part. And yeah, let's get on to the next one. Next thing I do, guys, is this metal ooze one. This is a lava lamp one type deal. And I haven't done one of these. I haven't even like showed one of these in a while. So I'm going to try it out. I don't know if I've even done a makeover on one of these ones, so yeah. But I really absolutely hate the containers. They look cool, but they're so inefficient. Like, this doesn't even stay on there. Wait, no, it does. Never mind. But to open it, it's so annoying. I think you're supposed to, like, use these to open it, but oh, really? Now you're going to open? A lot of times I couldn't get it open and it would get stuck and I would have to like literally step on it. But this time it decided to prove me wrong. So yeah. But anyways, here's the slime. It's super rippy. It's very, very pretty though. I really love the color and the pigment in it, but it's very rippy. It's like really overactivated. So what should we do, guys? I think we should add like maybe a bunch of hair gel, because I feel like that's like the only thing we can do, and just at least make it so that it kind of stays together more, because this one's just completely ripping apart. So let's get some hair gel. All right, so we have a little bit of hair gel. I'm gonna add only a little bit this time because the last time we added way too much apparently. All right, so I think this is working very, very well. It's starting to really melt, I think, but let's just continue because I don't think I'm completely done yet. Okay, I think it's starting to get better, guys. It definitely is a lot more stretchy. I don't know if you guys can see. It is definitely a lot more stretchy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it seems a lot more stretchy. Like before, it was like really just ripping everywhere. But I think I might need to add a little bit of activator, but I don't know. I'm just gonna continue mixing it all in because there's still some hair gel on my hands and on the table, so yeah. Okay, so this is very watery now, so I decided I'm gonna add a little bit of clear slime. Hopefully it doesn't do weird stuff like the other one, but I think this one will work. So we're gonna add some clear slime and hopefully it'll get thicker and activate it, so yeah. All right, so here's what happened. I think it did get a bit better. Definitely did get a lot thicker, but I don't know if it really activated anymore. I think we're gonna need some activator, but I think it did help with the thickness. All right, guys, here is the slime. Now it is actually so much better. It's a lot thicker. and you can make some pokes with it now, and it's very, very nice, and I think it went pretty well. Like, I am very, very happy. Anyways, guys, now it is time for the makeover, the visual makeover. So for this makeover, guys, I thought, why don't we add some gold pigment and see where that takes us, because one, it will probably change it to green, or two, it might just fully turn gold. So let's see what happens. We're gonna put that much, and let's mix. Ooh, looks pretty. What do you guys think is gonna happen? You think it's gonna turn green, or you think it's gonna be strong enough to become gold? Seems like it is gonna be strong enough. I didn't have enough time to guess, guys. All right, so it kind of looks half green, half gold. It's like a green gold, you know? But I'm liking it. It looks really cool. Oh. It looks cool because it's kind of like a metal, like a metal gold. I don't know, but I like it. I think it looks really cool. We're gonna go ahead and add some glitter too. And I decided I'm gonna add some of these crystal beads because, I don't know, I feel like I need some spice, and I feel like this will really help it out, you know? Just a little bit. Let's mix it up. Alright, guys, and that is the slime makeover. I think it looks a lot better, honestly. Like, it looks really cool. I think this isn't gonna fit in there anymore. But yeah, here's the slime makeover. We have a little before and after. It's beautiful. I love how this one like looks so much more like metallic and like metal-ish. I don't know if you guys catch my drift, but yeah. Let's get on to the next one. Next we're gonna do, it's this Orbs Slimy Buttery Fluff. So yeah, it's purple and scented, and it sounds pretty cool. Let's see. Alrighty, here it is. Can we just talk about how like it's half a container? What the heck? Okay, alrighty, so how do we open this up? Ooh, this slime doesn't seem so bad. Whoa, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, and it's actually really nice and buttery. Wow. I really didn't expect that from this slime because it kind of looked like it was going to be like kind of weird slime, kind of like the guacamole one, but wow, guys, this one is actually really nice. Ah, and it smells so good too. All right, well, this is actually really nice. I don't even know if it needs a makeover, but we're gonna give it a makeover anyways. So first of all, I think it needs to be a bit softer, so we're gonna add some lotion to this thing, and it really feels like it has lotion. Like, it is so soft. Okay, so this time I'm gonna be using this lotion I got from the dollar store because I like the little squirt bottle it has. It's very nice. All right. I think that should be enough. And let's start mixing. Oh, whoa. Alright, it is a lot softer now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is so much stretchier. It's so much better, guys. Like, this slime is amazing now. Now, all we need to do is start giving it a makeover. Alright, so I'm absolutely loving this slime now. It is so stretchy and so buttery, and it's like, honestly, almost like homemade slime. Like, it is so nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start adding some stuff into it. So I decided I'm gonna add some pink food coloring into it to try and make it a bit more like of a reddish color. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what happens when I do that. You guys think it's gonna turn? I feel like it's gonna turn into like a hot pink or like a reddish purple. Oh, it turned into like a hot pink, I think. Looks pretty good. I like it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add some glitter into it. Okay, we're gonna add some iridescent glitter to it, and some gold glitter, and some extra fine pink glitter. I just wanted to add some extra fine pink glitter. I don't know, I thought it might look cool, but we'll see. Okay, well now it is super duper sparkly, and I really love the extra fine glitters in there. It looks really cool, and yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add one last thing. We're gonna add some of these foamies that I have left over from something else. I forgot what it was. But anyways, they're just pink, blue, and purple, and I thought it was like a perfect color combination for this slime. So we're gonna mix that into there too. And we are all done. Presto. Alright guys, here is the slime makeover. I think it looks a lot better. It looks so much cooler. And it is so pretty now. Get a little bit before and after. Oh my gosh. It is amazing. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below which one is your favorite. I think my favorite would probably be this butter slime. It turned out so pretty, it's so glittery, and it is just beautiful. But anyways guys, that is it. I love you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.